What's going on, Star Wars fans? You're watching The Collector's Hut. My name is Chris, and it's that special time again for Smuggler's Bounty. So this theme is the Death Star theme, and it has Darth Vader on the front. I'm very excited. I have no idea what's inside this box. So with that being said, let's get right to it. Alright, so right off the bat, you always get a patch and a pin. And the patch is really nice. It has Darth Vader on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this stuff out and then I'll bring it close so you guys can check it out. And the pin has a stormtrooper on it. Alright, I'm already pumped because we got the t-shirt back. So it's a really sweet t-shirt. It says Death Star and it has Darth Vader and Obi-Wan Kenobi. So this is really sweet. I'll definitely be wearing this, and I'm so happy that we're getting the t-shirt back because I wasn't really too thrilled with the hat. I'm not really a hat guy. Alright, so you got two pops in this one, which is really exciting because I love when they do this. And we got Grand Moff Tarkin, and he looks awesome. So this is a great pop. And we have Darth Vader. Very sweet. And one other little thing. It looks like one of those badges for your luggage. So that's pretty sweet because we've been going away a lot lately. So I will definitely be putting this on my luggage. So like I said, I'm going to bring all this stuff nice and close so you can get a better look at it. We'll start off with this baggage tag. So obviously it's the Death Star. And then you put all your info right there. So I thought this was a really good idea. This is going straight on my luggage. And then we'll keep on cruising with the patch, which I'm absolutely loving all these patches. Really sweet image of Darth Vader. Move on to the pin. Just bear with me. These pins are always so nice. The detail is truly amazing. They're nice and thick. Image is always nicely done. Alright, we'll move right on to these pops because I'm pretty excited about them. We'll start off with Grand Moff Tarkin. And he's also number 159. Oh yeah, he looks amazing. So check that out. Looks great. Like always, you can take him right off the stand. Little pegs, holes in the bottom of his feet, so you can display him like that. I'm sure he stands very well on his own. This is very cool. Very nicely done. All the detail and paintwork is very nice. I'll show you guys the box real quick. So like I said, 159, Grand Moff Tarkin. Really sweet image of him on the left-hand side. And then a image of the Vader that we're going to be going over very soon. Darth Vader Bespin. This is a really sweet looking Vader. Looks like he's getting ready to use the Force or choke somebody out. Really sweet. Can also take the base off of this one. Same deal, pegs with the holes. Obviously a bobblehead. So it's really cool that you can take the base off of the figure. Big fan of that. And this was very beautifully done. This is a great piece to put on your desk. Very happy with this box. And as you can see, all the detail is really good. Real A+ job. And I love that they have him in an action pose. Just a really sweet one. And I'll show you the box. And he's 158. Really cool picture on the left-hand side. And these are only for the Smuggler's Bounty. You can see the sticker right there. It says exclusive. So very happy with this. And I'll try to do a close-up of the shirt. Absolutely love the shirt. Very sweet. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please let me know what you think about this box. I absolutely love it. They did a great job with this one. If you want to see more of me, go to thecollectorshut.com. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, right here on YouTube. And you can go to TeePublic and pick up a t-shirt. Help support me. That would be amazing. And please subscribe, comment, and share. I love hearing from you guys. Keep tuning in. Support is amazing. And I have a lot more stuff coming up, especially with all the Rogue One products. Thank you guys so much for watching. May the Force be with you, and I'll see you soon.